showing you the mighty seahorses of Great Barrier Reef, the tigers of Southeast Asia. Now today we're going to look at a much more majestic creature, the hypebeast. Come with me, I'm your guide, Bo Crawfish. Boo! That scary? Thought so. Now, on episode 1 of Hunting Hypebeast, Nature of the Hypebeast, you're gonna learn how to identify a hypebeast and what situations you might find them in. So let's go. Hey, there's one over there. So here we got your average Joe, you know, just average clothes, something you see at high school with the backpack on. Just walking along, strutting his stuff. No, he won't gonna be anything. Not dressing like he's a cool kid. So here we have your average wannabe hypebeast, you know, the camo pants. He has his hair slicked back, like a hypebeast, but it's not the hypebeast cut. We got the Apple headphones dangling. It's not working at all. Pants aren't rolled up. But here we got your average anti-hypebeast, dressed like an absolute idiot. Hi there again, Bo Crawfish here. No, in order to find a hypebeast in nature, you have to know what one looks like. So, alright, now I'm gonna show you what one looks like. Your money.
Mac, I'm going in. Millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease like a menstrual.
Oh, hey, how's it going, Bob? A hypebeast likes to take a lot of pictures of himself because he likes his appearance very much. The hypebeast takes a lot of photos for Instagram. He has to make sure he has the perfect shot for his Instagram feed. And I mean a lot.
Let me take a selfie.
Few things before you wrap up. Always look out for rolled up jeans, and they usually almost always have an extra pair of shoes laying around. Thank you for joining us today on Hunting Hypebeast, the Nature of the Hypebeast. See you guys in episode 2.